Tired of your zaps only doing one thing at a time? Well, get ready to unlock a whole new level of automation with Zapier Loop. This powerful feature lets you repeat actions within a zap, making your workflows dynamic and efficient. Imagine you have a spreadsheet of leads with Loop. You can automatically send a personalized email, add them to a CRM, and create a task in your project management tool, all within the same zap, and repeat that process for every lead in your spreadsheet. After your zaps trigger, you'll add the Loop by Zapier action. The Loop action takes a list of data, often provided by your trigger app, and sends one piece of that data to the subsequent actions in the loop. Once inside the loop, the actions you define will execute for each item in your list. This means you can send personalized messages, update records, or perform any other action you can dream of dynamically. Zapier Loop opens up a world of possibilities. You can use it for processing e-commerce orders, managing event registrations, or even personalizing marketing campaigns.